When I was applying for a residency, I ended up finding Monument Health in that search, and there was just a lot of things that really appealed to me about this place. Things like being an unopposed residency, the amount of support that you have in clinic, and just in general, the amount of learning that was available here in this area.
I think another thing was the fact that they did have an OB program, which is appealing to me. I know that a lot of programs struggle with that, and so the fact that there were opportunities to work hard and learn how to do OB, I was pretty excited about that. I think just allow yourself to be excited about starting residency, because it is a challenging time and you're gonna be exhausted some of the time, but you get to finally learn and practice all the things that you've been waiting so long to do, and it's just a lot of fun.
I didn't really know what to expect in terms of attending docs, and I would say both in terms of our individual residency attending doctors as well as our community attendings, and by that I mean, say, the neurologist who we work with for a month or the cardiologist. Really across the board, I've had very, very positive experiences. I think part of residency is learning how to tread water first, especially when you're thrown into a whole bunch of new stuff. But eventually you start to get the hang of it and start to do better and better, and it stops being so much of a burden and much more of an opportunity to learn. And so you're doing it. You're really in it. You're doing the real doctor stuff that you've probably been fantasizing about this entire time. And so that transition that you had as a medical student, going from academic stuff, learning classes, to clinical things in your third and fourth year, it's very similar to that, but probably an even bigger step going from finishing up fourth year to being a resident. You're a real doctor, tons of support from your fellow residents. I will say the community here at our residency is excellent. I think that the residents really make a point of watching out for each other, of making sure that all of the questions that you have get answered, but also that you're just feeling okay.